In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your email address to Zelle on the Chase app. This is a quick process, but I'll walk you through step by step so you don't miss anything. First, go ahead and open your Chase mobile app. Once you're on the home screen, look at the bottom left corner and tap on the option that says Pay and Transfer. It has a little money icon next to it. When you click there, you'll see a few different choices, but the one you need is Settings. Tap on that, and then at the top, select Zelle Settings. Now you're inside your Zelle setup. Here, you'll see your current contact information, usually your phone number, and any emails that are already linked. To add a new one, tap on the blue Add button. You'll get a prompt letting you know you can connect one phone number and up to 5 email addresses. Choose the option to add an email, then type in the email address you'd like to connect to your Zelle account. After typing it in, tap Done and then hit Next at the bottom of the screen. At this point, Chase will send a verification code to the email you just entered. Open your inbox, find the code, and copy it. Then go back into Chase app and paste or type that code into the verification box. Once you confirm it, tap Next again. The screen will refresh, and you'll see your new email address now listed under your Zelle contact info. That means the setup worked, and people can now send money to you through Zelle using that email. And that's all there is to it. Adding your email to Zelle inside the Chase app only takes a minute, and once it's done, you'll have more flexibility in how people can send you money. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.